What's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm the CEO here at Leeloo. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. If you're joining us for the first time, maybe you just saw this that is going on live and you want to check it out. We want to welcome you and thank you for hanging out with us. Be sure you check out the risk disclosure here. Take your time to read that, pause the video, and check that out for sure. So appreciate if you're here and let me know you can hear me okay. I appreciate that. Let me know if the sound is good. And today we're going to be talking about the straight to PAs, how that works, how that looks like. If you bought one, you already got the email for you to complete the three-step process. And so we'll be looking at that as well and answer any questions regarding that aspect. So if you're here hanging out, please let me know if the sounds good on your end. And if it does, I'll get go in here and continue the process. So Frank says it's good. Trader just says hi. What's up, guys? Good to see you guys. Okay, so interesting. Let's see. Today is Wednesday. It's 8:35 p.m. Eastern. And I did not trade today. I've been pretty busy with the straight to PAs. There's quite a bit of work on that on our end, so I just didn't get to really check out the market much today. So want to be sure I got to hang out with you guys for a little bit here. So you're looking at you're looking at an M&Q here, a 5 minute, 5 minutes chart, and I'm gonna be looking at to see if we would have had any trades today. Maybe there wasn't any trades for me today, and so I'll be able to check that out here pretty soon. Looking at the way the market opened, we took north, came back here, so that's a 5 minutes. I take my trades more than 1 minute candles. So yeah, and so I will have to switch over to kind of 1 minute here real quick to kind of see what the opportunity, if we had one, what that looks like. Of course, I'm in my journey to qualify the $50,000 account. We'll do the math here to see how that's going and how far off we're on that aspect. So actually, we'll be logging in here to Rhythmic real quick to check that out here in just a minute. While we're here, if you have any questions about the straight to PA, who is that for? Who is that deal? Who would benefit most from that? Let me know, and we can talk a little bit about that, but I'll go over that as well. So we got Milan says, all good. Thank you, Milan. Thank you so much for sharing. Jess says, hola. How you doing, Jess? Good to see you. It's great to have you guys on here. Let's see here. Okay, so I am sharing my Rhythmic, and let's just do the math, right? So on the $50,000 account, we're trying to. I think the goal is $3,000. So we just take 53,000, we subtract 52,588.70. We're about $411.30. $411.30 away. We do have a possible trade here. Let me look at this real quick here. What time is it? 7:34. Okay, 1 second, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to NQ. So I'm on MNQ right now. So now I'm on NQ. You're looking at the 1 minute candles here. All right. 1 second. Let me just look at some other things real quick. Okay. Nice. All right. Let's see if we can come down to 139. 139. Okay. Sorry, guys. Really bad at talking and looking at this at the same time. Let me just there. Okay, that's for me to remember. All right. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's see. Jess says it was crazy run today. Oof. I like your 96% off bundles. It's because of the deals. What's up, TX? Good to see you, TX. Jess says, you're so close. You got this, Chris. Thank you. And okay, so come on. So so kind of funny. I think on Friday, I think it was Friday, maybe it was Monday. I went to micros and I took one micro trade to go hit my target of 200. Came really close to hitting inches away from hitting my profit target. It missed it and it came back down and took me out and I lost about $200. So, but that's cool. That's, we follow our plan, so it was okay. So I'm back on the NQ. I do swing trading, but the swing trading usually takes several. It could be a single day, but it usually takes several days to get to where I'm going to go. With the trailing drawdown, I'm always cautious to do that. So, but I didn't want to do it just because I saw an opportunity and I just miscalculated it by a bit, and that happens, right? If I knew the market perfectly, then I would not be here, right? But you know what? I'm not a great trader. I'm not amazing, so that it takes time, it takes practice, and I'm not always going to be right, which is why the stop loss is so important. Because you know what? I don't know if I'm going to be right, but I know if I'm wrong, I know exactly how much I'm going to lose. And that's what keeps it going. That's what keeps me alive. Okay. Let's see who else is hanging out with us here. Tech Lead says, "Are you? Do you trade this session?" I do actually. I've traded every session, and depending on the account and depending on the setup, that's what I do. So, good question. Milan says, good day today. Hit my target on the 25K weekly account. I got a few days to go when you had the promo. A few days ago. I got a few days ago. Okay, when I had the promo. Got it. Good job, Milan. Awesome. Great. Congrats on that. Thank you for sharing, for sure. Aaron says, hi, Chris. That straight to a PA deal is awesome. Yeah, isn't it great? So I'm glad you brought it up. Let's talk about that for a second, because I do want to talk to you guys and maybe answer any questions you may have. Maybe you're thinking, hey, is the straight to PA an account for me? And I'll be happy to answer that and help you answer that for sure. So let's go look at that. So first, you're looking here. You guys will see that we're at the Leeloo Trading website. So go to leelootrading.com. And you can see I renamed this tab. This is just short term, okay? So what happens is I had to convert a couple of the LBs for a short term, just for this promo, for a straight to PA. So that's the work I had to do last night. I had to change things around. So when you buy this right here, you're going to pay $3.99 one time, okay? You're not going to trade it, right? You're going to email support, and we're going to get that working out for you to get you to that performance account. So there's a couple steps you need to take on your end. One of those steps is you need to email support. After you email support, we will pretty much qualify you, create a performance account. We won't create it. You're gonna get the 3-step email. You're gonna complete that, and after that, then the performance account gets created. Okay, so be sure you check that out. Okay. So right now, for the next several hours, until, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 3 or 4 more hours, we have the straight to performance account promo going on for the 25K and the 50K. Now, it's $3.99, and the 50K is $4.59. So I want you to think for a second. That's not cheap, but also it's not too expensive. Well, what do I mean? Well, it really depends on you and your budget. Okay, so what is your budget? Where are you in your journey as a trader? Okay, do you trade and do you fail a lot of practice accounts? If you do, the straight to PA is not for you. What's going to happen is you're going to buy it. You're going to pay whatever, $3.99, $4.59, whatever it is. You're going to start trading. You're probably going to high chance of failing. Okay, so this is not for you. You're better off going to the practice account, growing as a trader. Take your time, practice, grow, qualify. Okay. Now, maybe you've been around trading for a while. Maybe you are a seasoned trader. Maybe you're like, hey man, I already got 3 PAs. I'm doing great. I'm getting payouts. Life is good. I'm ready to go and add another account. This may be the account for you. Because at this point, 399, 459, whatever the price is, may say, you know what? The chances of me doing well are high. The chances of me failing this are low. So therefore, this makes sense to me. Oh, sorry guys, I'm drinking some organic coconut water, which it's interesting. I didn't know coconut water could be organic. I don't even know what that means, but yeah. So, all right, let's see what else is going on here. And if you have any questions about this, let me know. I would love to answer. Okay, let me see what we got here. Jess says, sorry, Aaron says, hi Chris, straight to PSers are awesome. Jess says, hey Aaron, TX, yo. TX says, hey Jess. Angel says, hi. What's up, Angel? Jess says, how is your personal trading coming along, Chris? What's your opinion on the market right now? Yeah, great question, Jess. So right now I've been quite busy, so I haven't focused on intra-trade trading besides trying to qualify. But let me show you my chart here. Okay, and here's what I'm looking at here. I think we're creating a nice random pattern to go long. So I'm still think we're gonna be going long here now. We're gonna break this previous high. Oh, let me make sure you guys can see that. By the way, this is just so you know, I'm really bad at telling you guys what it is. This is the NQ daily. This is a daily candles here. All right, so this is daily. So I'm looking for a long here. So my personal accounts, I got a couple longs already in place, and my question is are they going to break this previous swing high here? Are they going to go to this target here? I got them going to 15,700 right now, and so that's kind of what I'm looking at here. So let me see if I can zoom in right there. Okay, so we've been on a nice little climb here. Let's see if I can do better. Oh, I can make this way smaller. There we go. So we've been in a nice little climb here. So, you know, I expect some hesitation here, but I do think about 15,700, so somewhere like that. So right now on my personal accounts, that's kind of what I'm looking at. And I'm going to be averaging in. This is not my qualification account. This is my personal accounts. So I'll be looking here. If I'm wrong, I have two options, right? In this case, I'm so low risk, right, that I'm not over leveraged, that I'm looking to potentially average in if price comes down to 14,700. Okay, if they break this low right here. So if they break that, I'll probably look for a long around here, around 14,800, 14,700, and average in, and I'll be plenty, and I'll have my hard stop there at 14,375 if that was to happen. But I am long here to about 15,700 or so. So let me know what you guys think about that. All right, let me go look here. Trader J says micros are great. You take less risk. Absolutely, Trader J. Micros are phenomenal. Milan says I missed the bundle special as well. When was that? The bundle special. Oh, we had. Okay, so we have the current promo that we have right now is straight to PA. Okay, and so straight to performance account. 25K for $399 plus PA fee. The 50K only $459 plus a PA fee. You buy the account, do not trade, email support, wait for them to create the PA account. You're going to get the 3-step process. You're going to pay the $88 a month, or if you decide to do a one-time PA fee, $250, and this ends in about 3 or 4 hours. So that's the promo for today, but we did decide to do a quick flash sale today inside a deal. So we had a deal within the deal, and that was 2 hours today. And so if you missed it, sorry about that. But yeah, thanks for asking about that. Let's see. Tech Lee says, do you trade the Hang Seng Index? No, I don't think so. Claudio says, hi. What's up, Claudio? Thera Ung says, howdy, Chris. Is your supply and demand available to Leeloo traders? Good question. It's not, and it's just something that my mentor and I just created. And we don't sell it or anything. We do it for ourselves, just so I don't have to draw it, just because there's nothing wrong with drawing it. It just takes time, and I don't want to take the time to draw it. So I used to draw it all by hand, not anymore. So, oh man, okay, missed a little tree right there. That's all right. So this is 1 minute here, 1 minute candles. But it's kind of super slow right now, so I wouldn't be able to trade much really right now. Um, this is MNQ. Let me go back to here. There we go. Okay, there we go. Oops. Okay, there we go. I'm so good at this. You guys might be really impressed, but yeah, I can move charts around pretty good. Just kidding. So funny. Okay, let's see. Jess says, "How's your personal trending coming along, Chris? What's your opinion on the market right now?" Yeah, I mean, we just looked at. I think we're kind of hesitating before we continue to go north, so that's what I'm looking at. What do you think, Jess? And what does everybody else think? Um, and yeah, sorry, Theoreth. No, I do not have the supply and demand available to anyone, including Leeloo traders. Joshi Green says the best company I have. Good evening, all. Please hit the like button. TX, thank you so much. Yeah, guys, let's hit that like button. I appreciate it, TX. Aaron says it's a good price. Yeah, for sure. Um, let's see. Blinder33 says I was at work. By the time I saw the special bundle, it was already gone. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for that feedback. Sorry you missed it. Aaron says I have a plan at $100 a day. Jess says, I agree with Chris. I was still super rookie and thought I knew what I was doing. I got the straight to PA back in March and obviously lost him so quick. So definitely sticking with practice accounts to learn. Yeah, Jess, the fact that you made a decision and there's nothing wrong with that. You realized that was not the best decision. So that was very good. So you learned something. And then and the proof of that growth, is that you're deciding that, hey, I'm not going to jump on this phenomenal deal because this phenomenal deal is not a phenomenal deal for me. It may be a phenomenal deal for someone else, but not for you, right? So recognizing that actually shows a lot of growth, right? Because, it's very tempting, at least it is for me, to not go and buy a straight to a PA when, even if I wasn't ready, right? So that temptation and overcoming that temptation is a big step. So, yeah, great job, Jess, to recognize that. That's when I'm a very competitive guy, and I play a lot of sports, volleyball being one of those sports, and love volleyball. But when I'm recruiting my team, and and putting a team together, whatever sport or whatever event we're doing, I'm not looking necessarily for the best person. I'm looking for the person that recognizes their decision making and how they can grow and can they listen to others, can they listen to advice, and if they're able to learn from their mistakes, and those are the people that tend to do better in the long term. So yeah, shout out to Jess for sure. Um, Jess says mine. You just started trading end of November 22. So yeah, Chris, just right on that one. Yeah, Salah says I need promo LB 90%. Yeah, okay, thank you. Parnash Kavid says, can we still fade all your trades? Can we still fade all your trades on PA and still get paid? I don't even know what that means. Can you explain that what that means? Sorry, I'm not sure. Z boy, can you go live when you have a deal in a deal because it sends notifications when you go live, and it won't miss the great deal? I would try. I can't promise. Oh, hold on a second. We might have something going on here. All right, we got one where. All right, 1 second. Let's see if this triggers us here. I gotta zoom in so much. It's like insane. Where we go? All right, let me know if that picks us up, guys. All right, so if this creates an inside candle here, I might go up. We'll see for sure. So this could be an option. That could be an option. Let's see if that creates an inside candle. Um, okay, so let's see here where I left off. Yeah, I'll try. You know, I got meetings during the day, so sometimes I'm just not able to. Um, yeah, I know. 2 hours is definitely tight. Yeah, I get it. Chris, will you do another amazing flash sale for the bundle 150 for the one-time PA fee? I'll see. I can't promise anything. Pornage says, uh, if you're talking about um, okay, is that an inside candle? Yeah, so I got to.
Order
Oh,
failed.
I was too slow. Gosh. 1 second. 40. We got this inside candle here, so we'll see if we can stay there and hang. So if this closes below that, we're gonna be in quite a bit of trouble there. I think, cause that might bounce out of that zone right there. Can you guys see this? Okay, yeah, you should be able to see this. Okay. All right. Let's see. We got a tight stop. I could go right there, but it's just one tick, so I'm gonna go right there. So, and then here's another long potential here if we go long. So we'll just see. All right, so it kind of closed right below that, but it opened right here, so we may be okay. So let's see if they can shoot up here. And the question is if they're gonna break this or just kind of hang on this area here. So for one tick, it might be fine right there. So we'll just hold it there. See if they can get to our spot there. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Um, let's see, where did I leave off? Okay, I think I answered that. TX says, yeah, please hit the like button. It's a good price. I was at work. Okay, I already read all that. Let me see if I can catch up here. All right, let's see. Oh, Jess says, okay, I know you covered this before, but can you show us once more how to use that ruler to reflect risk to reward? Oh yeah, yeah, no problem. So at the very top left here, Ninja Trader, you'll go to like where the little pencil is, pencil looking thing. And so when you go there, let's see here. All right. Okay. So when you go to the pencil, you'll see where it says ruler. So you could use the ruler. Okay. I like to use the ruler, but you can also use the risk to reward. So there's two. So the ruler is just going to measure your entry point, right? Or wherever you want to go from here. So let's say from here to where we just got our target. And it's going to tell you, and you can switch it to whatever you want. I use dollars. So we made $65 from that trade, right? So good trade, guys. Good job on that. Um, and so we were risking $30, right? In this case, so we got a little over more than two times our risk to reward scenario. So that's one. The other one is there is an actual risk to reward you can use, which is this one right here. So let's say that I want to risk. Well, let me put it here. I can I can go right there, and I can actually double, and I can tell them, hey, I want to risk 2-to-1 ratio, hit apply, and so automatically it's going to create uh, that risk to reward. So right now I'm risking $30. So if I want to risk, let's say, $100 or 85, 100, right there. Let me move this down here. You'll see that it automatically does 200. So you could have that aspect right there. So it does the math for you. I don't always. So for example, I usually do 3-to-1. So you could do even three here. And you can change it if you want points, price, whatever ticks. I do currency, so apply, okay. And so right here, if I was doing three times the return, I would do it this way here. and then my target would have been there. I didn't do 3 times the return on this one because of the market structure. I didn't think they were going to go that much higher passing if they were going to break this. So I wanted to go right below this previous swing right here just to get out and not take that risk. So if I was going to go 3 times, I would have been around somewhere around here, which would have put us in a tough situation to potentially get our profit out of that. Okay, so that's what I was looking at. So there's 2 options. I like doing the individual ruler. Okay, again, you go to the pencil on the top left. I think it's called what is that called? Drawing tool, and go to ruler, and then you can do individually. So here, for example, I want to go here. That's my $30, and then vice versa on the other one. Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, so let's see what we got here. So we got $61 after commissions and all that. So we got account balance at 52,649.72. So I'm gonna be done trading actually for today. So I'm happy with that. And today it's been Wednesday, Thursday. So I may not trade Thursday. My schedule looks pretty tight. But if I do, at least we're starting ahead of the game there. But yeah, so we at least got that out of the way. So good job on that, guys. Good support. So, but yeah, I see just creating little running patterns here, and so I probably expect this to go a little long here, but didn't want to stay for the show, so we're good. Market's moving nice and slow right now. All right, so any questions on straight to PAs? Love to answer any of those questions. And if you bought a straight to PA, you should have already received the email. And if you got that email, yeah, you can complete those 3 steps, and for sure. All right. So if we don't have any questions about straight to PAs or anything else, pretty excited to be hanging out with you guys. So yeah, I do got things to go do. So thanks for hanging out. So if you have no questions at all, Chris B says, "Hey, what's up, Chris B? Just saw you, didn't see you before. Sorry. How do you get notifications for flash sales?" So we're trying different things, right? So we kind of this is a great opportunity for us to look for ways to do just maybe an email. So if you haven't signed up for our emailing system, be sure you do. So we did an email just through our email, and typically we do it through all social media except for Twitter. Typically it's through Facebook or Instagram, so be sure you follow that. And for YouTube, I don't always do a video for every sale, just for multiple reasons, but yeah. So stay with us. Trader J says, "What's the promo for tomorrow?" I guess you guys will find out, but I'll give you a hint since you guys are hanging out with us. We're gonna probably do another straight to PA for some other accounts. So the 25K and the 50K are not gonna be available probably, but tomorrow we're probably gonna do a bigger one, bigger accounts tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. And we may do a flash sale tomorrow. That I'm not sure yet. So yeah, but thank you guys for asking so much. It's great asking. All right. Any other questions while we're here? And good questions, Jess. So thank you for asking those questions. All right. Okay, I don't think we have any other questions. So if you do, shout. If not, yeah, you're welcome, Theorith. You're sure. No questions this time for me. Just nice to hang out. Thanks, Chris, for the live showing and the RA tools. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, no giveaway right now, guys. I got other meetings I have to go to, so I don't have time to do that right now. But tomorrow, during the Chris show, we might do some stuff, so we'll see. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate your time. There's no other questions. I'm gonna rock. So, hey, if you're interested in that straight to PA, this is the time to do it. So, if you are interested on the 25K or 50K option, this is your time. Okay. If you want a bigger PA, straight to PA, we may be doing that tomorrow. So stay from Frank, we'll see what we can do. We have a lot of places we have to post, so we're not always able to post every single place. And it depends on what our strategy is. Sometimes we want to have people be involved in our email system, so we may just do it through email, or sometimes it's just through YouTube. Sometimes it's everything we have. So, but yeah. Yeah, trade golf. I feel you. All right, Aaron, thank you. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to knock it out. Have a great day. Thank you for hanging out. If you have any questions about the straight to performance account, please shout. Again, they're only available for a few more hours, the 25K and the 50K. If you're interested in the bigger ones, I think they're going to be coming around the corner, so just hang on to those, okay? All right, so much love in the air. Got me feeling like Valentine's Day. Yeah, I know, right? How do you guys do that heart? What is that? What is that coming from? I see those. I don't even know where that's coming from. How do you even do that? Do I have that option? I feel like I have no. I don't even know. I don't think I do have that option. How do you guys do that? What? I don't think I have the option to do that whatsoever. So, only if those were likes, we would be in better shape. Thank you guys. I appreciate the love. So, it's an emoji button. We can click on the live chat. Oh, I don't have that. Gosh, I'm not cool at all. Yeah, send me a screenshot. I want to check that out. I'm gonna have to look into that. Yeah, I don't have that option, I guess, from my point of view. Yeah, I don't have that. Oh man, I'm over here trying to figure it out. I even don't have it. Just got a text from Jazz. Let me see what it looks like. What? Yeah, I do not have that at all. Man. Yeah, I don't think I have it. Go to channel. Yeah, I don't have it. Oh, I'm gonna try something. Okay. Um, I don't even know what to ask. Hold on a second. Hey Salah, yeah, the rewards points work. You just have to buy a eligible product. Uh, um, yeah, that's good. That is a conflict of interest. Like, oh, so yeah, like I'm talking, and then like I give my own myself like a thumbs up. That is funny. Okay. Uh, okay, I'm gonna try something. Oh, if I can spell right. I'm a horrible speller. Um, I don't even know. Ask the community. Let me see if this works. I'm doing something I've never tried before. Who will be joining? Okay. Logging off. Dinner time. Hope everyone was a wonderful night today. Thank you so much, Chris. Okay. Hey, thanks, Jess. Jess, be sure you vote before you leave. Oh, don't vote. How do I do this? Okay, we got 5 votes. Okay. All right. That's gonna be a cool way to do it. Okay, I might have to do. Okay, that's cool. I like that. I have to do that. All right, I'm gonna have to try this poll thing here. Oh. Hmm. Oh man, I don't even know if this is. I don't know what's going on right now. This is me getting distracted. This is so. I don't even know how this works. Okay, go to. What is your favorite account? All right, guys, I'm trying something out. Hold on, let me see if this works. I don't know if this is working. Uh-oh. Uh, okay. Chris B. Let's see. John L says thanks, Chris. 50K LL. Yeah, I don't know if I did that right. I'm totally. Okay, I gotta work on this. I gotta figure out how this works. Did you guys see the question? Like I was asking, like, what's your favorite account? But I wasn't able to see. Okay, Impul. Let's see what that is. How do I see the results? Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so we got 10 people that voted. Yes, 89%. Okay, I'm gonna have to play with this. All right, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for